human resources is the most important factor for the progress of a nation. It is three types. They are skilled human resources, semi-skilled human resources, and unskilled human resources. दक्ष जनशक मानवीय स्रोत, दक्ष मानवीय स्रोत, अर्धदक्ष मानवीय स्रोत र अदक्ष मानवीय स्रोत. Skilled manpower refers to the person who is trained, well educated, energetic, experienced, and devoted to their field. Skilled human resources are the resources that are a person who are trained, जुन तालिम प्राप्त हुन्छ, well educated, पूर्ण शिक्षित हुन्छ, energetic हुन्छ, अनुभवी हुन्छ, and devoted there is a field. र उसले आफ्नो फिल्डमा, आफ्नो क्षेत्रमा राम्रोसँग काम गर्ने योग्य व्यक्तिलाई हामीले स्किल मेन पावर वा स्किल ह्युमन रिसोर्सेस भन्न सक्छौँ. It is capable of doing any specific work in a balanced way and efficiently. र यसले गर्ने जुनसुकै पनि कार्य हुन्छ त्यो सन्तुलित रूपमा हुन्छ र त्यो प्रभावकारी हुन्छ. For example, teachers, doctors, engineers are the skilled labor and human resources. And second point is the semi-skilled manpower does not require advanced training or specialized skill. अर्धदक्ष ह्युमन रिसोर्सेस जुन छ त्यो चाहिँ न कुनै विशेष किसिमको तालिम प्राप्त गरेको हुन्छ, न उसँग चाहिँ अनुभव हुन्छ. नो रिक्वायर्ड एक्सपिरियन्स एन्ड डिभोटेड टु देयर फिल्ड. For example, truck drivers, flight attendants, security guard, etc. are the semi-skilled labor and semi-skilled human resources. यिनीहरू अर्धदक्ष मानवीय स्रोतहरू छन् जसले only trained and educated with their field मात्र अर्धदक्ष हुन्छ, जसले पूर्ण रूपेण ट्रेन प्राप्त गरेको हुँदैन. एजुकेशनल सर्टिफिकेट, you have the educational certificates in these resources. And third point is the unskilled worker does not require laborers to have a special training or a skill. यो हाम्रो अध्यक्ष जुन लेबर हुन्छ त्यसलाई कुनै किसिमको तालिम र दक्षता प्राप्त हुँदैन. For example, cashiers, grocery clerk, and the clerks are the example of the unskilled human resources. अदक्ष मानवीय स्रोतहरू हुन्. अब हामी अगाडि कन्ट्री नेसन्स को बारेमा अध्यापन गर्न गइरहेको छु. A country is a political state. राष्ट्र, देश एउटा राजनीतिक स्टेट हो, नेसन. और control territory. It is often referred to as the land of an individual's birth, residence and citizenship. भनेको नागरिक हुन्छ, व्यक्तिहरूको जन्म, त्यहाँको रेसिडेन्स, आवासलाई डिल गर्दछ. And the country is divided into the three categories in the social studies in this chapter. Developed countries, विकसित राष्ट्रहरू, developing countries, and underdeveloped countries, and least developed countries. First point, in development country is the nation which have already achieved high development in all basic sector of life and nation. विकसित राष्ट्रहरू त्यस्ता राष्ट्र हुन् जहाँ achieve high development in the basic sector, आधारभूत पक्षहरू जुन छ त्यसको पूर्ण रूपेण विकसित भएको हुन्छ राष्ट्रको. फर एक्जाम्पल, अस्ट्रेलिया, बेल्जियम, स्विट्जरल्यान्ड are the development countries in the world. And second point is the developing countries are the countries with a less developed industrial base and a low human development index. Low human development index, HDI. For example, Brazil, Canada, China is the developing countries in the world. And next is the least development countries. Least development countries are the low economical countries जुन देशको आर्थिक अवस्था कमजोर हुन्छ. Conforming structural independence to the sustainable developed भनेको टिको विकासको मूल धाराबाट पछाडि परेको राष्ट्रलाई लिन्छ. फर एक्जाम्पल, एङ्गोला, बेनिन, बुरुन्डी आर द least development countries in the world. And the also point is a poor development countries. Poor development countries are the not achieve a significant degree of industrialization related to their population. For example, Congo is the poor development country in the world. And next point, the importance of the natural resources. Importance of the natural resources are the flowing points. First, least importance of natural resources. First point, least wastage and maximum economic advantage. Second point, selection of industrial zone, integral use of national resources to obtain long term to achieve multi-purposes advantage, proper irrigation project, economic advantage, example, utilize of timber to minimum transportation cost. अफ डेभलपमेन्ट विकासको महत्त्वहरूको बारेमा चर्चा गर्दैछु. इन सम इम्पोर्टेन्स पोइन्ट टु डेभलपमेन्ट टु इम्प्रुभ द मेटेरियल स्ट्यान्डर्ड अफ द लिभिङ लाइफ. जुन हाम्रो लिभिङ लाइफ छ त्यसको लागि जुन आवश्यक पर्ने मेटेरियल छ त्यसको स्ट्यान्डर्डमा हामीले इम्प्रुभ भनेको प्रगति गराउँछ यसले. सेकेन्ड पोइन्ट, to rising for capital income of a country. Capital of a country, देशको जुन आमदानी छ, इन्कम छ त्यसलाई बढाउँछ. थर्ड पोइन्ट, the ability to meet basic needs. Ability to meet basic needs, food, shelter, health and protection to provide development. And two, freedom from service cheats. To self-systems, to fair distributions of the income, to industries diversification, to improve quality of life. In this point is the importance of development. अब हामीले रिसोर्सेस को बारेमा अध्ययन गर्न गइरहेको छु रिसोर्सेस स्रोतहरू resources are sources of supply, support and aid, especially one that can be reading drawn upon when needed. जुन हामीलाई आवश्यकता हुन्छ स्पेशली विशेष गरी सोर्स सप्लाई टु सपोर्ट उपलब्धता हुन्छ सहयोग हुन्छ एन्ड एड स्पेशली द्याट द क्यान बी रिडिङ ड्रम्स अपन वेन निड जुन हामीलाई आवश्यकता हुन्छ अदर डिफिनेसन an action and measure to the which one may have recourse in an emergency expedient or capability in dealing with a अब हामीले रिसोर्सेस स्रोतहरूको बारेमा अध्यापन गर्न गइरहेका छौँ रिसोर्सेस आर द सोर्स अफ द सप्लाई support or aid, especially one that can be reading drawn upon when need. It is definition of the resources. स्रोत भनेको हामीले उपलब्ध भएको सहयोग पुर्याउने र एड योगदान स्पेशली विशेष गरेर क्यान बी रिडिङ ड्रन अपन द when we needed जुन हामीलाई आवश्यकता पर्दछ Other definition an action or measure to which one may have resource in an emergency expenditure or definition capability is dealing with a situation or in meeting difficulties actually वास्तवमा means and resources of a country can be divided into flowing three types. They are resources, natural resources, economic resources, and human resources. Human resources. First point, natural resources. In natural resources, प्राकृतिक स्रोत. Natural resources are resources that exist without any action of the humankind. It includes water, air, vegetation, sunlight, etc. Natural resources. Natural resources are of the two types. They are renewable natural resources and non-renewable natural resources. Renewable resources includes fresh water, timber, oxygen and solar energy. Non-renewable natural resources includes fossil fuel, earth, minerals, groundwater. Our first हामीले renewable natural resources are the resources that can be replaced naturally in our lifetime and used respectively, and non-natural resources, renewable natural resources are that can be replaced in our lifetime, in the natural resources. In the next point to the economic resources. Economic resources are the factors used in producing goods or providing services. Producing goods and providing services, it can be divided into the human resources such as labor and management and the non-human resources. First point, in the capital goods. Second point, financial resources and the technologies, important points of the economic resources of a country. First, it is the sources for the investment in the development works. It helps in the promotion of all economical activities. यसले विकासमा लगानीको स्रोतहरूको बारेमा अवलम्बन हुन्छ. It helps in the promotion of all economical activities. हामीले देशभित्र गर्ने जति आर्थिक गतिविधि हुन्छ त्यसमा मद्दत पुर्याउँदछ. And third point, human resources. And third point, human resources. मानवीय स्रोतहरू. Human resources are the set of the people who make up the workforce of an organization, business, sector, industry or economy. मानवीय स्रोत चाहिँ नि मानिसहरूको त्यो सेट आउँछ, समूहभित्र पर्दछ जसले who make up the workforce and any organization, कुनै सङ्घ संस्थालाई, बिजनेस सेक्टर व्यापारिक केन्द्रहरूलाई, and the industries कल कारखाना and economy आर्थिक स्रोत. Human resources is the most important factor for the progress of a country. र मानवीय स्रोत जुन छ हाम्रो कुनै पनि देश विकासको लागि, देश प्रगतिको लागि महत्त्वपूर्ण मानिन्छ. It is a three types. They are human resources, skilled human resources, semi-skilled human resources and unskilled human resources.